Hi, nice to meet you. My name is Gloria. The violin lesson for beginner who are new to the violin, and also for those who want to learn the violin on their own. First, let's learn the names of part, the violin and the bird. This is a violin, is it? Violin have many sizes, but this is a first size. Alright. So this name is skull and just the head, and this one is pet, yeah? And this is the fingerboard, and this one is a neck and string, and this is a bridge, and this is a finally is a tuner, and this is the chin rest. This is a shoulder base, and violin front of name is just top, and behind the name is just back. Now, violin, there are 4 strings on the violin. The first name is opening, the E, and second name is the A. The third string is the name the D string, and the last name is the G string. First string is the E, going up, down 5 steps. The name is the A. So E, going down is the E, D, C, B, A. So second name is opening, the name is the A string. And next one, third string name is the D. Of course, from start to A is going down 5 steps. So A, G, F, E, D. So this third string name is the D string. And last string name is the, from this string, it's going down 5 steps, also same thing is it. So D, C, B, A, G. So last name is the G string. The higher you go up on the string, the minor string becomes, the notes also become higher as you go up. Conversely, the lower you go down on the string, the thicker string becomes. The notice also becomes lower as you go down. Therefore, the lowest string on the violin is the G string, and the opposite, the highest string on the violin is the E string. Now, let's learn the names of part the ball. The top of the ball is called the tip or point. This is the ball hair is made from horse tail. This is ball stick, and this is ball hair, and this is grip, and this is frog, and this is the scrub. Okay. Now I will explain how to hold the ball. First, before you try to hold the ball, practice with a pen or a chopstick. Second, practice so that the thumb is played arbitrarily opposite to the second and third finger. Please note that when referring to the finger on the violin, your index finger is your first finger, and your middle finger is your second finger, and this ring finger is third finger, and last one pinky finger is the fourth finger. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then make sure your fingers are bent. Once you have finished practicing the first and second steps, generally press the index and pinky fingers on top of the ball stick, like this. And now your thumb should be bent under the ball stick. But this is difficult. You can place your thumb under the outside of the plug. This here. Until you are comfortable bending your thumb. It's better than before.